What up, everybody? So basically, in this video, I'm going to be answering one of the solution if your Ultiplex GX620 computer doesn't turn on, which is a Dell. So basically, this is not a finished video. So if you came here for finish, you could leave right now. Stay tuned for a video. So basically, if your Ultiplex GX620 doesn't turn on, it's probably due to a power source. So basically, if your Ultiplex GX620, you try to click this button right here. Hold on. Let me show you guys the picture. So basically, you try to click this button right here, the power source button, and it's just not putting no lights, no anything. Then you open up the computer. The computer's kind of dusty, so dusty picture. But you try to open the computer, then you look at the motherboard, and there's like this bright orange amber light while you have it plugged in. That means that your power source thing right here that looks like that's the power source. That means that that piece is messed up. All you simply need to do is replace that piece, and your computer should work. And that's basically all I have to say about that video. And out.